Hello friends, welcome to Lopamudra's presentations. Thank you for loving my dark or black colored mutton recipe videos so much. Please keep supporting me like this. Today we will prepare restaurant style dal tarka along with egg and chicken. This video contains 2 tips to prepare this delicious and fantastic recipe. I will share these tips with the steps of the preparations. Onion slices, green chilies and ghee on top of it add extra flavors to it. For dal tarka, we can take Navaratna dal or red cherry dal or Pancharatna dal or Rajma chole dal or murgh masoor mixed dal. Here I have taken 300 gram Navaratna dal. Wash and clean Navaratna dal and soak it into water for more than 3 hours. Now take a big thigh boneless piece of chicken and cut it into small pieces. You can use chicken with bones too, but the pieces must be small. Now make a paste of ginger and garlic as shown, 3 to 4 spoons of homemade sauerkraut, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Heat the pan and mustard oil. Add the paste and fry it for a few minutes. Then add chicken pieces and again fry in low to medium flame. Add salt and fry again. Here I have prepared chicken without onion and coriander powder. In around 15 to 20 minutes, add half teaspoon cumin powder and again fry it. After frying is done, add water to boil. At last, add half teaspoon garam masala powder and the tasty chicken preparation is ready. Now, heat oil in pressure cooker. Add soaked rinsed dal and start frying. Add salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Stir a little bit and add half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Fry it for a few minutes in low to medium flame. This is my first tip. This will bring you a very good taste. Then add water and start boiling. In the meantime, let's ready the eggs. Heat up oil in the pan and add 4 to 6 eggs. Here I have taken 6 eggs. Add salt and stir it constantly in high flame as shown. Stir it constantly to prevent the eggs sticking to the pan. In a few minutes, you will notice eggs are ready. Those are not sticking to the pan anymore. Make small pieces and keep these fried eggs aside. Now, heat up oil in a big pan and add half onion minced, 3 garlic minced and minced ginger. Start frying. Add salt and fry again in medium to low flame. After frying is done, add 3 green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half to 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and again fry. Then add half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon coriander powder and fry again. Then comes the special masala. This is my second tip. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of biryani masala. This biryani masala will give you the perfect taste. And add 1½ tomatoes. Fry thoroughly. After frying it, add little boiled water from the prepared dal and boil it for a few minutes. You can add whole dal instead, but lentils can melt, so better add only boiled water from the dal. Now add eggs and chicken. Mix and stir. You can add eggs later. Mince before switching the burner off too. It is totally your choice. My dal is cooked perfectly. Now add the whole dal with it and give it a boil. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. I will wait for your likes and comment. If you like my video, please share it with others. After boiling, add coriander leaves and stir. I have added some of my good recipe videos link in my description box. Please check those and try those at your home. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter too. I have added the links in my description box. Let's test it. I am adding slight lemon juice here, but it's entirely optional. Now super tasty egg chicken dal tarka is ready. I'm getting the awesome flavor. So please friends, without any delay, try it at your home. Take a very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.